healing of the nation and alcohol is the destruction of the nation. Good morning to all eminent personalities present over here. Today I, Tejasvi of Trinity Club of the school Eicher School Parwanoo is here to share my ideas. My topic is drug addiction and our group idea is India of our dreams. Drug addiction is a chronic disease affecting our brain and behavior. About just everyone is different. Drugs affect different people in different ways. One people can take and abuse drugs while never become addicted. Yet, while one has merely experienced and is immediately hooked. Addiction is a disease affecting our brain and behavior. When you are addicted to drugs, you can't resist the urge to use them. No matter how much the cost drugs may cost. Drug isn't about just heroin, cocaine or other illegal drugs. You can get addicted to alcohol, nicotine, opioid painkillers and other legal substances. You think that you can control how much and how often you use it. But over time, the drugs may change how your brain works. They can make you lose self-control and can lead you to damaging behaviors. Drug addiction as a term is not defined in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. Instead of drug addiction, DSM uses the drug dependence and drug abuse. Most drug use begins in adolescence, often with experimentation with prescription drugs, alcohols, cigarettes, etc. While almost half of 12th graders admit to take an illicit substance in for their lives, drug addiction information shows the vast majority of people will phase out of drug use and never meet the criteria for drug addiction. We should need new metrics for drug addiction for measuring the success of our nation's drug policies rather than measuring the success based on slight fluctuations in drug use. The primary measure use of effectiveness based on the harm drug use such as overdose death, drug addiction, and the transmission of diseases such as HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis C. Critically, though, our drug policy should be evaluated based on the harms caused by the policies themselves. We should need to drastically reduce the enormous number of people from the bars for drug law violations. While it's difficult to prevent someone to prevent drugs, there are certain things from each one of us should remember to prevent drugs. Some of these steps are: admit you are not in control, find treatment program, follow medical advice, commit to a treatment regime, look towards family and for friend support, and don't forget that drugs destroys lives, tears apart from families, and harms the society. Thank you.